Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make dalitoy. This is nothing but a Konkani style dal recipe. So to prepare this recipe, firstly take 1 cup of toor dal and wash and soak this for minimum 15 minutes before further use. Next add this to a pressure cooker and add 3 cup of water into it. Add 3 to 4 green chili cut lengthwise and a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 4 to 5 whistles in medium to low flame. Once your dal is cooked well, mash it well using a masher. Add water and adjust the consistency of your dalitoy. Usually dalitoy is little watery when compared to the other dal. You can add water and adjust accordingly. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Next take another kadai and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 dried chili and a handful of curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Now add the prepared tempering into the dal and your delicious dalitoy is ready. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves before serving. This can be had along with rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.